The protection from the harmful radiation of cell phones and computers is the first and absolutely essential step in restoring and strengthening your biofield and therefore your health. That's why the SIBVERS product line has 4 different kinds of protection against the harmful cell phone radiation. These 4 products neutralize the harmful phone radiation, protect you against electrosmog around you, and improve brain research activity. But some products have additional very useful features. You can choose for yourself and for people that you care about the one that suits you best. SIBVERS' universal recommendations. For children. For children without vision or hearing problems, we recommend the classic neutralizer Active-CP. For children who have vision or hearing problems, we recommend the complex section by a corrector professional. For adults, if you rarely use your cell phone, use the classic neutralizer Active-CP. For women, if you often use your phone and your phone is often next to you, and if you regularly eat out and want to improve the health of your digestive and urogenital systems, then choose the complex section biocorrector beauty. If you often use your phone and keep it near your head while talking, and if you want to improve your memory, vision, hearing, concentration, we recommend you to choose the complex section by a corrector professional. For men, if you often use your phone and your phone is often next to you, and if you regularly eat out and want to improve the health of your digestive and urogenital systems, then choose the complex section by a corrector men's health. If you often use your phone and keep it near your head while talking, and if you want to improve your memory, vision, hearing, concentration, then choose the complex section by a corrector professional. For your convenience, you can see the table with functions that each neutralizer performs, and you can select the one to get more benefit from its use.